Oh, well, just so you all know, this is my first time riding this off-road. It's absolutely freezing, by the way. I don't think I wrapped up enough, even though I put on like 20 layers. Still not warm. We're gonna head down this beautiful trail now. Hopefully no dramas, but with me there's always some sort of drama. It's a big bike, so it's hard to get used to. So I've ridden quite a lot of road to get here, which is quite fun, to be fair. Very nice on the road. So this is the first off-road test. My first time riding an adventure bike off-road. So I'm quite nervous. There's going to be some tricky bits. Like, I've never ridden this bike on any rocks or anything, and I know there's kind of some rock slabs and stuff, so I'm really praying that I do not drop this, because I do not want to pick it up. Alright, let's go then. Suspension feels really nice so far, can't complain. Oh, it's just nice to get out, you know. I'm a bit worried about these tyres. Like, obviously right now it's not crazy terrain, but we are going to get to some tricky bits. There's a little river crossing, I think, further on. And I don't know how these are going to do on the wet rocks. And if I drop this in a river quite far away from civilization, we're going to be in trouble. If you could do me a massive favour, by the way, leave a comment down below, any adventure bikers out there, and let me know what you kind of plan for a long trip in your backpack. Not like an overnight trip, but just what you plan. So I need to know, like, puncture repair kits, all that kind of stuff. Okay, we're officially off-road. This is cool. Got to open gates and stuff. Okay, this is my first time, okay, so I'm not going to go mental. Wow, look at this. What an awesome trail. I got full kit this time. I got my motor boots on over the boot trousers because it's very cold. And you know, that is the adventure bike thing to do. Over the trouser boots, you know, I've done my research. First bit of water. Yes, buddy. Oh, come on. It's actually quite comfortable standing up on this. The 890 is like a mid-range adventure bike. It's apparently meant to be really good. So this is my first adventure bike, obviously. Could have gone for Tenere 700 or something like that, but I'm planning on doing long trips on this across Europe and stuff, which is why I'm getting the practice in. I just thought the 890 might be a bit better on motorway roads and stuff. Oh, here we go. We got our first bit of rocks, boys. First bit of rocks. How are we going to do this? Do we go up on the left? Oh. I want to absolutely send it, but I'm on my own, so just got to take it nice and easy. Get used to the bike. You know how it is. Ha ha ha, yes, yes, yes. Very impressed with this suspension. Maybe I'm gonna have to take this bad boy to K-Tech and get them to do this suspension. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, she's gonna get dirty. Lift. Well, that's stupid, isn't it? Oh, we'll just do that. It's a lot easier. Okay, there's lots of little niggly bits. Have an adventure bike friend. Hi mate. You okay? Where have you come from?
I just come right round the loop.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
It's a nice bike.
Where you come from?
Well, I just started at the bottom down there.
Oh yeah. Which loop have you been doing?
Well, I'm going to go from here up to
The
the...
camera's still running if you want to save your battery.
Oh yeah. He's going to go left, or he's going left. This is the hard way. Okay, I should be in that lane. Okay, he's gone in the middle. Let's go in the middle then. Oh. Oh, we are off-roading, boys. Okay, he's gone. It's surprisingly nice off-road. Hard work in the sense of, you know, it's a lot more weight for your arms, but all in all, so far so good. Hey! Did I tell you the story about that time I was ridiculously excited? No? Good, because I'll tell you at the end, because the story is happening right now. Oh, jeez. Good job I got waterproof socks on. We're like doing gate duties now, so like he opens the gate, I close the gate, you know, like best friends do. Hey! Oh, I love this. It's like enduro but different. So like the lanes and roads become more fun, where enduro you just want to hit the woods and that's it. Huh?
You know where you're going?
Yeah, that way. So it comes out by the bike place. Yeah. But it gets a little bit tricky, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's up to you. You're gonna go off left, it's up to you.
Okay. Well, I'm getting like a little bit more confident, maybe too confident. Oh, I'm just having so much fun. Okay. Okay, this is where it gets a bit sketch. Okay, he's going for it. He reckons these tyres can take a lot of abuse before it gets a puncture, so I'm taking his word for it. Do you know what though? He is right. This traction control does suck a little bit because it does cut out a bit. I might have to turn it off in a bit. Oh yes. Oh yes, yes you. Okay. Let's go in here. Okay. Oh, got up here. Okay. Alright. I'm decent. Let me just close the gate for my friend.
I forgot I had my visor down. Oh, fucking glasses, this thing, double steam.
Yeah, when you looked at me, I just saw steam. It's a nice bike, that. I mean, it's no KTM, but she's dirty already. He said I can go left if I want, which means right is treacherous. No, I'll go left. Oh, that slipped out. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Get the hang of it. Very, very capable machine, I must say. I like it a lot. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh no. He's gone. He is quick. I don't think I've ever been quick on anything I've ever ridden in my life. But I feel fast. That's what matters. And oh, it's bringing such a smile to my face. That's what really matters. Oh. Oh mate. Well, that's an expensive lot of equipment, that is. Hi mate. A lot of people around. Look at that. I had the time of my life. Oh, not bogs, not. Oh, is this a bog? Where's he going then? Ooh. Oh, first bog.
We got it dirty now.
I know. Yeah, I don't know. I just slowed down for that bog bit and it just cut off. I see what you mean about the traction control. It does cut out a lot.
Yeah,
So it's like if you're going up the slippery rocks, it goes do do do. So it is quite annoying.
I'll have your number. You have to get Sean. He'll tell you what setting to put in.
Yeah, because it's got like. Where's it? It's on here, and it set. Right.
On real steep stuff, if you're going to shit like that uphill,
Yeah.
you won't get up because the traction control.
Yeah, it's crazy. We just stopped just to talk about how much I'm bloody loving it. So yeah, so like thought so far is I just need to adjust the foot brake. It's a bit too low for me. Maybe turn the traction control off because that's annoying. Other than that, this is going to be a fun bike to have on the channel for sure. An absolute mega fun machine.